Everyone wants to keep their new vehicle protected and looking its best. That's why we at Toyota of Wallingford offer one of the most effective solutions to do just that. 9H Ceramic Coating is a patented multi-layerable nano-ceramic coating that forms a permanent bond with the surface of your vehicle and won't wash off or break down. With a measurement of hardness above 9H, this makes it the hardest paint coating on the market today. That's 3 times the hardness and self-cleaning ability of a traditional clear coat, protecting your investment from many external factors, along with adopting a super hydrophobic effect. We can also provide protection for your delicate interior surfaces, all with no reapplication necessary. This comprehensive service is provided by trained technicians and at a price that works for you. Speak to a sales associate for details. Whether you're driving a new or used vehicle, 9H Ceramic Coating will help keep your vehicle looking its best and retaining its value. That's just part of the wow factor when you choose Toyota of Wallingford. Visit us in-store or online to learn more.